welcome back to my channel. I'm Jamie. Today I'm doing the Birthstone Beauties collab. This month is July, which is my son's birthday in a few days, the 14th, so Tuesday. So we're doing Ruby. So yeah, so that's red basically, right? So now we're just gonna get right into it. Let me make sure. Let me clean off the camera. There we go. I'm gonna look here and see. I think I'm gonna go into the Risk Taker palette by MAC and just start putting in this color here, which is called Dangerously something. What is it called? Hold on. Dangerously Elegant? I can't see. No, Free Ride. Free Ride. I had it upside down. So that's Free Ride, and I'm gonna start putting that in my crease. So yeah, I'm just gonna get right into it. As always, it's kind of like a purpley neutral. So I'm just gonna start building up my eye with that real quick to begin with. Yeah, I'm putting them up this late because I just forgot, I guess. I just didn't realize it was a 10th. Like, it snuck up on me and kind of just beat me in the head today. I'm gonna go in with Bossin' It. It is this one right here. It's kind of like a, looks like it might have a little bit of sheen, a little bit of shimmer in it, but maybe I don't. Kind of deepen up that outer V. So I'm just building the base of it, and then I'll put in the red. Let me look at this one again. I'm thinking maybe to use something out of here. Was this ruby like? Yeah, I think we're gonna use this. It's the Juvia's Place, the berries. Which one is it? I'm gonna use this one real quick. They don't have names. I'm gonna put my mirror up higher here. So yeah, I'm gonna go into that one right there that's kind of up there in the corner. I think I'll add some liner too. And I think that's the desired color. I think I'm gonna take my finger and just put some on. It'll be more vibrant that way. And then I can blend out if I need to. Yeah, that's not too bad. So hopefully y'all been doing good. It's been hot out there, and when it's hot out there, I get a little grumpy. I don't know if y'all are like that, but it's like, I like the summer, but on the other hand, it's like, I get a little grumpy and I get tired. I'm the type of person, I wear a lot of layers of clothes, which I should stop doing. But that's just something I taught myself because, you know, it hides your body better, I guess. It's something I probably shouldn't do, but I'm just comfortable that way. I'm taking a little bit of this pink here. It's kind of a pinky color and going over it. And just kind of blending out the edge of that. Just to blend it out a little. I think I'm gonna go back in the Risk Taker palette and take this one right here. It is called Totally Obsessed, and that will totally blend out the seams. Hopefully. Kinda. It's slightly pink, but that's okay. Let's try some of this too, a little bit more. I don't know. Let's just go with what we have here. And I'm gonna put some down here. just like the residue of what I had on there. Looks like I got fallout. So I'm gonna clean that off here. And if I need to, which I think I do, I'm just gonna put on some concealer and clean it up a bit. Seeing how I got fallout. It happens, you know, it happens. It ain't the end of the world. Let me clean off my brush, and then well, let me just take my finger. Hopefully we're not adding insult to injury, but it looks a little pink, and I don't know what I just did. Do I got a black eye? Maybe I had more on there that I didn't see. I feel like it's just turning everything pink. Oh well. Maybe just put it on with this finger. I don't feel like I have anything on that finger, but it looks pink under there. So, I got a wipe here. I'm wiping my fingers off. I got a makeup wipe. And now let me dry them, and then maybe that'll help. By the way, that's the cover girl. Yeah, I think that helps. I must have had it. I mean, I know that I used my finger. So. And I'm gonna take the Too Faced Turn Up the Light Soft Focus. The one in the middle. It's just like a powder. And I'll just kind of set that. And let's see here. I want some sort of shimmer. Maybe I'll do this one. That's weird. Did nothing come off. Okay, we'll just go into the Risk Taker palette again. I'm like going back and forth to palettes. I'm gonna go into this one. It's called Outfitted. It's a shimmer. I'm just gonna kind of put that along the lash line. And kind of in the middle. Hopefully, maybe I'll have a lip over here that will be better, but I don't know if I have. I am like a nude lip kind of gal, so like I don't know what I have over here. I would have to dig. I should have did it before, but so far, so good. I'm gonna go in with the NYX Vivid Brights in Vivid Fire. Let's put a wing on. And I usually go out like that, and then I kind of dip like that. Just kind of dip. Let me get some more on here. Let's just fill that in. It takes a minute to fill it in, but in the end it's worth it. Let's do the other eyeball. It's hard to do the left eye. And I do like the ruby stone. I have the garnet stone for mine since I'm born in January, and it's a darker red, but I do like both a lot. Like, I don't know if you guys do this, but I go through spurts. Like, sometimes my favorite color is such and such, and sometimes my favorite color is blue, sometimes it's red, sometimes, you know, it's always black, but like I switch colors. So I think a lot of people are that way. But what I'm gonna do also now, I'm gonna take some of this Sephora eyeliner waterproof, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my waterline. Probably should have sharpened it, but it's okay. We'll just poke our damn eye out. And we're getting there, buddies. We're getting there. Okay, so let's let that dry. Like, let me see what I have for a lippy. I think I know what I know what I want to use. Okay, so let's do a little bit more blending. And I'm going to put some of this pink on. It is Vivid Petal. And I'm just going to put some pink dots right here, just to add interest. Add some interest. And then maybe I'm gonna put a dot right in the middle of each eye. Is that weird? We shall find out. Maybe put 3 dots in the middle, 1 big one and 2 littles. So now let's see here. I'm gonna put some of the Grande Drama mascara on. I already had my makeup on. I just redid my eyes for this video, so hopefully you like it. Hopefully I did a good job. I'm gonna take a little small brush here, and I'm gonna go back into the Risk Taker, go back into that red and kind of make sure this all matches, kind of melts into that wing. I'm gonna take this blush that I have called, I don't know, it's by Pharmacy. I probably have a video coming up, and I'm gonna barely lightly put that on because it really doesn't match because it's orange. But actually, can we put any of this on her? I'm gonna try to put some of this one on, and it'll match really well. It's gonna be very vibrant, but I will tone it down. See, look, on camera it doesn't look that bad, but you should see it in real life. That looks nice, girl. I don't care. I wear what I want. And as Grand Fashion, I always take my It Cosmetics brush and I use it for my foundation. So it'll help blend all that out better. That's a trick that I don't even know where I learned it at. I think it's called veiling. It might have been by Lipstick Nick. I don't mind that at all. I'm gonna take my Too Faced palette again. I'm gonna go into the Glow right here, and I'm just gonna put that all over. And then I'm going to take a lip liner. This is the e.l.f. Novella Noir, and it's like a nude. And I don't know if it's gonna match up to my lipstick, but you're probably not gonna be able to tell too much. This is Mochalicious by Wet n Wild. Raw Beauty Christie always talks about this. I think that's what it is. I don't know, the writing's little, but I'm pretty sure it's Mochalicious. Yeah, that lip liner don't match, but it's okay. Like I said, I hate putting on lipstick on camera. I don't know why. It just makes me feel weird. Okay, let's put a spritz of the continuous setting mist. And I think that's the finished look. So if you like this look, make sure you give it a like down below. Make sure you go down in the description box and follow all the ladies on the Birthstone Beauties. We're mostly doing Ruby, but there might be a variation as always. Make sure you follow all my social medias. Can't speak. And they will be listed down in the description box. So anything you need to know will be in the description box. Follow the ladies, give me a comment, and follow my social media. Thank you for watching, and I will see you later. Thanks for watching, and bye. Have a good day.